Especially about this sentence, time is given in this sentence. Okay, I have already told you in the previous like present perfect continuous tense, and there are two types of times: definite time and indefinite times. And I have already given you the about the indefinite time or definite time. Okay, I think you would have noted it in your notebook. So first of all, now we come to the example of these tenses. वह 3 घंटे से मैदान में फुटबॉल खेल रहा था. वह he had been playing football for मैदान में फुटबॉल in the ground for 3 hours. वे बहुत देर से पकौड़ी बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. They had been trying to make कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर to make पकौड़ी to make the fries means पकौड़ी for a long time. For a long time. Note that sentences in your notebook. Should I repeat? Okay, just note down. Now you get okay, रुक गया बेटा. Now you get here one new word about pakodi. It is known as fries. उसे 3 दिन से बुखार नहीं आ रहा था. ओके, सेंटेंस उसे 3 दिन से बुखार नहीं आ रहा था. बुखार इज नॉट कमिंग. ओके, सो ही हैड नॉट बीन सफरिंग. ही हैड नॉट बीन सफरिंग.
सर बच्चों को ज्वाइन कर लो.
फ्रॉम फीवर 3 दिन से for 3 days.
सर रागिनी को ज्वाइन कर लिया.
Okay, now Ragini is joined. Okay, हम कल रात से इस फिल्म के लिए संगीत नहीं दे रहे थे। ओके, तो वी हैड नॉट बीन डिपॉजिटिंग, जमा कर रहे हैं कहीं। वी हैड नॉट बीन कंपोजिंग म्यूजिक फॉर दिस film or movie, whatever you want to write, you can write here. Okay, so we had not been composing music for this movie kal raat se, since last night. If you are getting here any new word, you can note it down in your notebook because it will increase your vocabulary. Okay, so to make yourself enrich in your vocabulary, you can note down all these points, all these sentences. But I think you are not noting. I'm not getting what have you said? Okay, you can note it on a paper. Does not matter if you have not your notebook here.
नोटबुक चेकिंग कब होंगी?
वो तो बीच में बेटा हो चुकी है जब आए थे पहले। ओके, नाउ जस्ट प्रिपेयर और your activity now. I want to check your activity. Okay, चलिए now sentences interrogative. क्या तुम पिछले 2 घंटे से मेरा पीछा कर रहे थे? Now this is an interrogative sentence. It is starting from क्या. So first of all, for this क्या we write our helping verb. Okay, had you been chasing? Chasing means पीछा करना, ढूंढना, घूरना. That is staring. Staring means घूरना and chasing means पीछा करना. Okay, had you been chasing me? कब से? For how long? पिछले 2 घंटे से. For last 2 hours. वह जनवरी से नौकरी पाने के लिए कहाँ भटक रहा था? ओके, वह जनवरी से नौकरी पाने के लिए कहाँ भटक रहा था? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट हियर द इंग्लिश ऑफ कहाँ. So it is our question word. Where had he been wandering? Just see, wandering, W-A-N-D-E-R. जो wander means भटकना और W-O-N-D-E-R wander means आश्चर्यचकित होना. Difference. See the difference? Only A and O. Okay. So here, where had he been wandering to get the job or service, whatever you want to write, you can write here. Now, once again we can read it. Where had he been wondering to get job? कब से? जनवरी. जनवरी is a definite month, so since January. I think it will be clear to you. Okay, now we move to our next tense, that is our future. Okay. Should I clean the board, बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
यस सर सर आपने अटेंडेंस ले ली
हाँ ले ली बेटा. आपकी रह गई?
सर हमारी नहीं हुई
Okay.
यस सर
Now our next tense is future. Future indefinite tense. Identification. As the last of this tense comes only ga, gi, ge. Okay. Now affirmative. Okay. With I and we means first person pronouns. Okay. With I and we use shall plus verb first form plus object. Basically, according to grammar, we use shall with I and we. But now, in the modern scenario, we have left the use of shall with I and we. But grammatically, it is used because in modern English, the use of will has been prohibited. मना कर दिया गया है. So in this way, we can also use will with I and we. But still in grammar book, we find this. Okay. Then rest of nouns and pronouns. Rest of nouns and pronouns, we use will plus verb first form plus object at last, full stop. Now come to negative. Okay, same is here. With I and we plus shall plus not verb first form plus object. As I am telling you about these tenses, you will make your activity in this format. Okay, I am teaching you here. Then you will write it by you on your sheet. It means it will be clear to all of you very nicely. And throughout the life, you will never forget about it. Okay. Okay, negative with I and we, shall plus not, verb plus form plus object. Then rest of nouns and pronouns. you will use will plus not verb first form plus object at last full stop. Come to interrogative. From the starting of the tenses, I am giving you the two types of interrogative sentences. Okay. First is when the sentence begins with kya. Okay. So first of all, we write the English of kya. And for this kya, we use only our helping verb. In the future tense, our helping verbs are shall or will. Okay. So according to our subject, we write shall or will. Okay. Then subject plus verb first form plus object. At last question mark. The second point is when any question word comes in the mid of sentence. Okay, so first of all, we write the English of that question word which comes in the mid of a sentence. Then our equation will be like that. Question word plus shall or will according to our subject. Then subject verb first form plus object at last question mark. Now come to the example of this tense. वह तुम्हें आज अपने भाई से परिचित कराएगा. ये कराएगा मुझे लग रहा है पता लिखूं. लग रहा है. चलिए नाउ he will introduce you, okay, with his brother today. Getting? Okay, he will introduce you with his brother today. हम तुम्हारे साथ आज बाजार जरूर जाएंगे। ओके, तो here is emphasis जरूर, all at once, definite sentence है आपका। ओके, तो here we will write we will, जनरली we यूज नहीं करते हैं, विषय हम लोग यूज नहीं करते हैं, तो we will go to मार्केट तुम्हारे साथ विद यू। जरूर की इंग्लिश नहीं आएगी, बिकॉज विल इज शोइंग दैट इट इज अ कंपल्सरी सेंटेंस। ओके, सो देयर विल बी नो एडिंग टू द वर्ड जरूर। क्लियर टू यू? वह तुम्हारे साथ आज नाटक में काम नहीं करेगा। तो he will not परफॉर्म, he will not perform तुम्हारे साथ with you in the drama, in the drama, in the act, act means ड्रामे का एक पार्ट। Okay, there are so many acts in the drama. Okay, and the drama is written in so many acts. Act 1, Act 2, Act 3. First of all, drama, then act, then scene. Act 1, Scene 1. Getting or not? So here we will write only drama. Rama, क्या है drama? Okay, so he will not perform with you in the drama. आज भी है, yes, today. He will not work. हाँ, no doubt. ओके, हम नहीं, वह तुम्हारे बारे में कभी अच्छा नहीं सोचेगा। ओके, वे तुम्हारे बारे में कभी अच्छा नहीं सोचेगा। ही विल नेवर, कभी नहीं, here given is कभी नहीं, and we use never for कभी नहीं। So he will never think, he'll never think good for you या about you। We can write, he will never think good about you, he will never think good of you। Okay, or the best is of। About means बारे में, I have given here बारे में, so I have mentioned here about। but best is of. He will never think good of you. Getting or not? The best is of. Think of me, मेरे बारे में सोचो. Think of you, अपने बारे में सोचो. Neither think about you or think about me. Think of you. If you read a good English, you will find such type of sentence in the book. Yes. Next is for interrogative sentence. Yes, any problem? क्या तुम कभी अपनी गलती पर पछताओगे? क्या तुम कभी अपनी गलती पर पछताओगे? तो क्या will you ever, कभी, will you ever repent, repend, repent, okay? So will you ever repent on your mistake? Okay, so will you ever repent on your mistake? Chaliye, period is over now. I want to give one more example. Should I give? You know. वह तुम्हारे साथ कहाँ, चलो सिंपल है, कहाँ जाएगा? और सिंपल है तो where will he go with you? Because where the question word, we write the question word, then helping verb, then subject, verb and object. Okay, that's it for today, beta. Period is over now. I am ending the meeting.